6:51 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Long Island City, or over Midtown Manhattan, moving south at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. This severe thunderstorm will be near Brooklyn Heights and Forest Hills around 6:35 p.m. Crown Heights and Park Slope around 6:40 p.m. Flatbush and Canarsie around 6:45 p.m. Bensonhurst and Bay Ridge around 6:50 p.m. Coney Island and Sheep's Head Bay around 6:55 p.m. Rockaway Beach around 7 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Here is a